Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Tiguan door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a trim removal kit to prevent damage, a set of Torx bits, specifically a T20, and a small flathead screwdriver. Working in a well-lit area is crucial to clearly see all the components and fasteners, making the process much smoother and safer for your vehicle's interior. Next, you need to access the handle mechanism. On the edge of the door, you will find a small plastic cap. Gently pry this off using your trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver. Inside, you will see a Torx screw. Use your T20 Torx bit to loosen this screw. It is important not to remove the screw completely. Simply turn it counterclockwise until it stops, which disengages the handle's outer part. With the retaining screw loosened, you can now remove the outer handle. Pull the main door handle outward, as if you are opening the door. This action creates a small gap. While holding the handle out, slide the handle's outer cap towards the rear of the car. It should slide off relatively easily. Once detached, carefully set this cap aside in a safe place to avoid any scratches or damage during the rest of the process. Finally, with the outer cap removed, you can gently pull the main handle assembly away from the door. Be mindful of any electrical connectors that might be attached, especially if your Tiguan has keyless entry or lighting features. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Ensure all connections are secure, and the retaining screw is tightened properly for a safe and functional door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.